Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, now to those that have not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comments. Love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at GBP, GBP USD, sorry, GBP USD for this week. In order to be able to predict this movement and understand this movement itself, I want us to actually start from the higher time frame. We would analyze it down to the forward time frame. So starting with the monthly time frame, we can see that we would want to know the trend. Basically to be able to trade, there's one question you would want to ask yourself, and that is the trend. What is the trend for this moment? We all know markets give us three movements. Either it's giving us an uptrend move, a downtrend move, or a ranging market. No doubt about that. So that is what we are having on GBP. Well, what we're having on GBP US is kind of like a ranging market move, right? So you can see that price once came to this same level down, which we've highlighted as a red. We will take it as a support level. The price gave us a breakout, gave us a bullish move that came to our resistance level. The price rejected there, dropped to this same support level. I think it came here twice. It went up, was close to the resistance level though. Then it came to take out this support again. The price gave us a bullish move to the resistance, and now we can see price came to the support, and guess what, you can see this as a breakout. It was at this level. I think this movement started around, it was around September. This was during the period when GBP got to its lowest point against the dollar, right? During that September last year, 2022, GBP actually dropped hard. Basically made most of our GBP actually drop, most of our GBP pairs actually dropped in that period. Anyway, price is now correcting itself, right? And we can see that price has now given us a bullish move. So will I say it's more bullish move is to come? At first my thought or prediction was that GBP will actually drop, GBP to USD will actually drop. One of the reasons why I said that is that, okay, if the CPI that was released on Thursday, if it comes out where comes out better, I believe the USD index or whatever, the USD will actually see a bullish move, thereby making GBP to actually drop. But unfortunately, the news did not really come out well on CPI. So that is to tell you that there's more drop to come on this USD, right? So maybe this week can be as a pullback, but in the long run, more drop is to come on this USD. So any PSU we trade into USD should give us a bullish move. So GBP to USD, we are trading GBP to our USD, so we expect more bullish move from GBP to USD. So this is the month of October. We actually opened and closed bullish, right? See, it will add a bullish move in the month of October. In the month of November, we also add a bullish move. If you take a look at it, the month of December, we also add a bullish move. Though candlestick week is sticking at the top, this is during the like a pullback, which is more visible on the daily time frame. We will get into that soon. So GBP actually gave us a pullback, right? This is one of the reasons why candlestick week is sticking at the top. Anyway, price has now is correcting itself. We are now in the month of January, and price has given us a bullish move. At first, price actually still dropped further down. This is one of the reasons why candlestick week is sticking at the bottom. During this movement, price drop. Price was actually correcting itself. Anyway, price has corrected itself, right? So we expect price to continue its bullish move. So more bullish move is to come on GBP USD. You can see it also previously it was trading below this 10 period moving average. If you have to see this trend from here, you can see that this was during the period of 2021, right? The mid last 2 year, that is 2021, right? So price was actually giving us that bearish move, during the period of also 2022. It was late 2022 that price started correcting itself by giving us a bullish move, right? During this time that price was giving us a bearish move, we were trading below this 10 period moving average. During that time, what long trader were actually selling. If you are yet to sell, you actually wait for a position or a setup during that time. That is that time, right? But now price has not corrected itself and we are bullish. You can now see it is now trading above this 10 period simple moving average. So that is to tell you that more bullish move is to come. Since we will be expecting more drop on this our USD there, more bullish move is to come on GBP USD. You can see price trading above this 10 period simple moving average. Now let's go to the weekly time frame and let's see what this weekly time frame is actually saying. So like I said, before you actually place your trade, you want to know the trend for this recent move, right? So you can see on this GBP USD, this is actually an uptrend move, right? So you can see price is moving here. So this is it, right? You can see this to be an higher heights. Then this will be taken to be a pullback. Then we will see this to be a new highs that took out this previous highs. And here comes to be a pullback, right? You cannot take a look at this to be a new highs. You can see this huge massive move. Of course, a pullback needs to play out. So this is what pullback has done. So pullback here has been played out. It is over. We will be expecting more impulse move. At first, like I said before, I wanted to like say, okay, more drop will be coming on GBP USD. That is what I was not trying to predict previously. But with the news, right, we expect more drop on USD, thereby making this GBP to USD actually go further. So this is one of the reasons why we should be watching out for a bullish move on GBP USD. You can also see it on the weekly time frame. We are trading above this 10 period simple moving average. So this price is still trading above this 10 period simple moving average. So more bullish move is to come on GBP USD. So now let's see what this daily time frame is saying. We can also see on the monthly time frame. Wait, on the monthly time frame, we are above the 10 period simple moving average. On the weekly time frame, we are also above the 10 period simple moving average. So on this daily time frame, price is also above this 10 period simple moving average. So more bullish move is to come. So we will see this as an ice, a correction here, then a new ice. Let's see if it would actually push up a bit on GBP USD. Maybe Monday, Tuesday will give us a bullish move. Then a correction. After the correction, we can go again to take move, give out, we can expect another ice to take out this ice, right? Then a correction, then another ice will be made. So GBP USD continuous bullish move is to be made. We can also see on the daily time frame, we are trading above the 10 period simple moving average. So as long as we are still trading above this 10 simple moving average, still a bullish move. Like I said before, this we should see it as an ice. Here a correction. This is an ice. We should see maybe Monday, Tuesday. We should actually see this price push up to this level here, which is a level of 1.23260. So let's see it get to a level of 1.23260 on GBP USD. Once it gets to a level of around that 1.23260, we expect a pullback to be made again. After the pullback, then another ice should be made that will take out this our ice. Once it get there, a pullback again and continuous bullish move on GBP USD, by the way. So we will now go to the 4-hour time frame, like I said. Before you place any trade, right, you would want to know the trend, and you would want to see that 4-hour time frame match with the trend of the higher time frame. You can see on weekly time frame, you are bullish, you are expected to go long, right? Daily time frame, same thing, bullish, you are expected to go long. Now, when you go to the 4-hour time frame, your 4-hour time frame must also be bullish. Assuming you are getting a lower lows and lower highs, you are getting lower lows, lower highs. All you just have to do is stay out of this trade. But since we would want to go long, and we are having higher highs and higher lows, I think this will be a good opportunity to actually go long. So if you want to be patient enough, you can wait for this ice to be taken out. So if this GBP USD can just push up thereby taking this ice, maybe that would kind of like be a good opportunity for you to go ahead and take your buy on GBP USD. Above all, this week on GBP USD, expect a bullish move, by the way.